I know what you're thinking. Where have you been, right? I took a little time off, been busy, summertime, car shows. I've been working. Anyway, been working. I have the Impala seats done. I have a little tutorial how I made some of the patterns. This was the old stinky, smelly, crappy blue. That was the original, and I'm going to go over what I did a little bit, how I transformed these front split bucket, split bench seats, front and rear, how we went over how we made the patterns and etc. But I have a lot of stuff coming up. We are back on track for videos. I have a lot of stuff planned. We are done. There's a couple more car shows left in the season, but you know, heading into fall, heading into winter is upholstery season, right? So we're gonna hit it hard. Got a lot of upholstery stuff coming up. Working on the car, you know, U-joints, floors. We're always doing something on the Charger and the Oldsmobile. But I have some other stuff coming up. We hit the 2.5-year mark of this YouTube channel. Almost 32,000 subscribers we're getting close to. And just gonna keep picking away at it. Basically what I do normally, I'm just trying to record it and share it with everybody out there, what I'm doing, how to do it, how to do upholstery on old cars, 1970 and older. I really don't want to do any work on anything newer. Just not my thing. So anyway, if you like that sort of thing, like, subscribe. Let's get into this 69 Impala redo on these seats a little bit. Just a little bit. And we got some more stuff coming up. Thanks. All right, so right off the bat, the buttons and the blue and all this is all, we're going to strip this down, see what's underneath here, see what kind of shape the foam is in. I'm hoping, and I'm pretty sure the foam is in good shape. All the mechanisms, everything's working on this thing. But I am going to do some black pleats, black for black piping. It's going to look really nice. Going in a black 69 Impala. All right, we got the seats, you know, pretty much tore down here. The old foam from 1969. It's not bad. It's not bad. We're going to fluff that up a little bit. So I got the old cushions over here. The old cushions are, well, I'm going to keep these for patterns, like, you know, just to give me a little bit of idea of the holes and stuff for the headrest and, you know, how it's going to go back together. But I'm going to basically do my own pattern, etc. from scratch. But we're going to keep these. We're going to keep these here, file right here. Okay. Now, all the hardware, as you can see, all the hardware is right here. And we need to go through this. This needs to be painted black. This needs to be cleaned up and painted black. All the little aluminum trim pieces need to be cleaned. Found some old receipts stashed away. And we are going to get ready here. Let's get set up. Let's get set up to start gluing some vinyl down and get this seat, my new seat pattern set up. Maybe clean up some of this foam. All right, so we have we have our patterns. Already glued the patterns down. I mean by patterns, what my templates I made for the seat, what I'm going to make. Obviously this is going to connect. This is going to connect. And this is going to be the seat as I get her rolling here. So this is the basic rundown of what my stitching is going to look like. Obviously, it's not going to be white. We're going to use black stitching, black piping, the whole 9 yards. So I'm going to start sewing these up, and I am working on the bottom seat first. Then we're going to work on obviously the back side, and this is going to come together relatively quick. So let me set up. Got the thread in here, the old machine ski, and let's get sewing. Here's the seats all done up, right? Front and back, we got them all lined up in the back. Everything's nice. Now, keep in mind, I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, there's about 50 hours here, okay, and all this, and the rears. Okay, we got the rears. Don't forget the rear seats, right? Looking nice. Everything's tight. All the lines are nice. Okay, so we are I'm really happy how it came out, actually. Now, like I said, I got about 45-50 hours in these seats alone. All the pieces, and I refoamed the bottoms, both backs. I added foam, cleaned them up the best I can. It's not much of a learning video on this one, but the seats came out great. I'm real pleased with how they came out. As long as the customer's happy too. I mean, that's more of what we're shooting for. But if you take your time, cut the patterns out. If you cut the patterns out and you pay attention the whole way as you're cutting out the details, the end result will be very clean. Okay, take your time as you're recreating what was once there. You get overwhelmed if you look at it, you know, oh, I got all this done. It becomes overwhelming. Just take a little piece at a time, and you'll do it yourself. I want to thank everybody for my subscribers and everybody that's come along for this 2.5 years of this channel. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate every one of you. All it takes is a click of the button. We're gonna do more upholstery, maybe a little more tutorials. I got some things coming up. We're gonna teach you how to do upholstery. Thanks for stopping.